Hey guys, it's Bridgette with San Diego Seed Company, and I got my friend here today who wants to ask me a really important question that everybody asks. What do you want to know?
Right, well, I've always wondered, how do you know when to harvest the beans?
That's a good question. If you wait too long on your beans, they're gonna get quite seedy. If you see here, these beans, the seeds are fully developed in there, and if you try to crunch on this, it's not very good. What you can do is save the beans inside to make like soup beans. But if you want yummy, fresh beans, you want to harvest them when they're a lot smaller. So this is a good fresh bean that you would use in, say, a stir fry. You could pickle them, you could put them raw in a salad. This bean here is gonna be a lot tougher, so you can let the seeds inside get bigger, and then you can harvest them for soup beans, or you can pull them out like this, stir fry them with a little bit of butter. They're delicious. But here you have two different types of beans on the same plant.